So guys, I don't have that hundreds of dollars to pay anyone right now, so I had to do my hair myself. And I just wanted braids. It's been long. I've been on wigs for a very long time, so yeah, I had to do my hair. Sorry guys, I could not record at the beginning because I was trying to finish this up very fast, so I literally started before recording, so that's why you could see some braids that I had done. And I used the Shine and Jam edge control braiding gel, so it really helped. It really did help to hold the hair together and giving it a shiny look too. Yeah, so I literally did my hair, and it didn't really take me a lot of time though. I would say like 3 hours with breaks in between, so like 3 hours with TJ again in the house. So I would say I really did good. I had his program going on while I was braiding my hair, so we're both good. Silly me. You know I played so much, and of course I had to snack on my way because I didn't really have the time to go sit to eat food at that time. I wanted to go like more than half, maybe left with like 2 braids before I could go eat. I was furnishing like so hungry. I had just fed CJ, so he was doing good. So I was just snacking until I could really feel hungry.
Boo, where you going?